Fake HOA returned a bird for Defect. Staff proved she neglected it. Karen stormed into Pet Haven, her voice piercing the quiet store, demanding a refund for a defective parrot. The bird, once vibrant, now shivered in a grimy cage, its feathers dull, eyes sunken. She claimed it just stopped singing. But the staff smelled neglect. Manager Lisa, calm but firm, inspected the cage-empty water dish, moldy food. Karen's lies unraveled as customers glared. Then, a twist. A teenage volunteer, Mia, stepped forward, trembling. She'd sold Karen the bird 2 weeks ago and overheard her bragging about breaking it to get a free replacement. Mia's voice cracked, exposing Karen's cruelty. The crowd gasped, their anger palpable. Lisa presented photos from the sale day. The parrot, healthy and chirping. Karen's face twisted, but she doubled down, yelling about her rights. The staff, unmoved, refused the refund, threatening animal cruelty charges. Karen's entitlement crumbled as whispers of justice filled the air. In a final blow, a customer adopted the parrot, vowing to nurse it back to health. Karen left, humiliated, her HOA presidency now a joke in town. The bird, though scarred, found hope. The store buzzed with a bittersweet victory, proof that neglect can't hide forever. Karma, it seemed, had wings.